assalamu alaikum, good morning and Juma Mubarak. Brother, you know that today is Friday, so that is why I woke up early in the morning from the bed, and after that I brush my teeth and I fresh my mouth, and after that I took my lunch. And as you can see right now, actually I am just going to teach my students from our grade. So brother, actually you know that today is Friday and today is off day, but I have to go to teach my student because of his exam is knocking on the door, and that is why he knocked me that teacher, please come to teach me. Teacher, you know that I am very weak in English, so if you teach me I will be knowledgeable and I can pass in the exam. So that is actually he said to me, and she shared with me that you have to come for today. So that is why actually I'm going. So as you can see also, actually I am going through the road. So yeah, so brother, so that's all about for today. So thank you for listening me patiently and keep watching our video. So if you wanna learn English, and stay with us and stay with Fresh Spoken English. So thank you.